We are in West Seneca, New York. It is coming down, the snow. It's 17 degrees. It feels like 0 with the wind chill. But we're gonna run to the gas station here. We're gonna grab some essentials. It'll be fine. Go Bills. This is what we live for. The adventures. Here, let me take a video of you. Let's see what you look like.
I already videoed myself.
How do you feel, Donnie?
Cold.
Yeah. This is the biggest, one of the first and biggest snowfalls of the year so far. I look good with the white beard. You look good with the white beard too. Yeah, it's really not that bad after you start walking. It was really cold coming out, but I feel like the winds died down. It's probably still 17 or between 17 to 20 degrees Fahrenheit, but we're doing pretty good. There you go.
So begins the long voyage home.
Yeah, it's snowing out here, but we can handle it. It's not too bad. This is great. I love being out here in the snow, cold. It feels good. It's a little chilly, but it's January 14th. It's January 14th, 2024. There's a travel ban it's been snowing. You want to look around, you can see the visibility is little to none. The snow's coming down pretty good. I'd say we probably got about a foot or so, maybe 1.5 feet with the drifts. But we're good. We got our essentials from the gas station. We got some snacks, some coffee, and now we're gonna go home and hang out. Everything to do with the snow is just walk through it. I just feel like it's makes you feel alive, honestly. It's cold, yes, but it feels good on the face. It makes you feel you're part of the earth.
My favorite part about a snowstorm is all the snow you can eat.
Let's keep walking, it's getting cold. It's nice out here. I love it.